Ever wondered how to effectively choose and execute mini projects in computer science and engineering? It's a process that involves careful planning and thoughtful execution. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate this important journey. First and foremost, define your goals and interests. Do you have a strong interest in artificial intelligence, a passion for web development, or a knack for data analysis? Identifying your specific interests within computer science and engineering is the first step towards choosing a project that will truly engage you. Next, research existing projects and resources. Look for open-source projects, online tutorials, and forums where you can find inspiration and guidance. It's important to understand what has already been done in your chosen field and build upon existing knowledge and solutions. Once you have a clear understanding of your interests and the existing projects, brainstorm project ideas. Think about the problems you want to solve or the innovations you want to make. Consider the scope of the project and the resources available to you. After brainstorming, narrow down your ideas and choose a project that aligns with your goals, interests, and available resources. It's important to choose a project that is challenging enough to push your skills and knowledge, but also achievable within the given time frame. Once you have chosen a project, create a detailed plan. Break down the project into smaller tasks and set deadlines for each task. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you make progress towards your goal. Now it's time to start working on your project. Implement your ideas, write code, design interfaces, and test your solutions. Be prepared to encounter challenges and setbacks along the way, but don't let them discourage you. Throughout the project, document your progress and keep track of any changes or modifications you make. This will help you review your work and showcase your achievements at the end. Finally, once you have completed your project, take the time to reflect on your journey. Evaluate your successes and failures, and identify areas for improvement. Celebrate your accomplishments and use the knowledge and experience gained to fuel your future projects. Choosing and executing mini projects in computer science and engineering is a rewarding and valuable experience. It allows you to apply your skills and knowledge in a practical way, and it can also serve as a stepping stone towards larger projects and career opportunities. So take the plunge and start exploring the exciting world of mini projects today. Next, it's important to identify your skill level. Be honest about your current knowledge and capabilities. Choose a project that's within your skill range, but also pushes you to learn more and expand your expertise. Now that you have a clear understanding of your interests and skills, it's time to gather project ideas. Look to academic courses, online communities like GitHub or Reddit, books, tutorials, or even personal interests and problems you'd like to solve. Once you've gathered a list of potential projects, evaluate their feasibility. Consider the resources, time, and complexity involved in each project. Make sure you have access to the necessary hardware and software tools before committing to a project. With a feasible project in mind, set clear objectives. Define what you hope to achieve and what skills you aim to develop through the project. Now that you have clear objectives, plan your project. Create a timeline. List the resources and tools you'll need, outline tasks and responsibilities, and consider potential risks and how to mitigate them. If possible, choose a mentor or advisor who can guide you through the process. Their expertise can provide invaluable insights and help keep your project on track. Now, it's time to start small. Choose a manageable project that aligns with your skills and goals. As you gain experience, you can gradually tackle more complex projects. As you embark on your mini project, be ready to research and learn. Familiarize yourself with relevant concepts, technologies, and tools. Take online courses, read documentation, and consult textbooks or research papers as needed. Now, start implementing your project. Break down the work into manageable tasks and regularly test and validate your progress. Remember to document your work as you go. This includes keeping detailed notes on your code, technical specifications, and maintaining a project journal or report. As you make progress, seek feedback from peers, mentors, or online communities. This can help you identify and address any issues early on. Remember, it's okay to iterate and improve. Projects rarely go exactly as planned, so being adaptable is key. Once you've completed your mini project, prepare a presentation showcasing your work. Highlight the problem you solved and the skills you developed. After the project is complete, take some time to reflect on what you've learned. Consider how the project has contributed to your skills and future career goals. Finally, don't forget to share your work. Whether it's on GitHub or your personal website, showcasing your projects can be a great way to impress potential employers or collaborators. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to choosing and executing mini projects in computer science and engineering. Remember, the key to a successful project lies in careful planning, thorough research, and thoughtful execution. Happy coding!